Have you ever wanted to invest in real estate and make a profit? If so, you may want to consider using AI to find tax lien properties. Tax lien properties are properties that have been seized by the government because the owners have failed to pay their taxes. These properties can be a great investment opportunity, as they often sell at a discounted price. However, it can be difficult to find these properties, as they are often spread out over a wide geographic area. This is where AI can help. By leveraging AI algorithms, investors can quickly and easily find tax lien properties and assess their potential for investment. AI algorithms can be used to analyze available data to identify properties that are likely to be attractive to investors. This data can include information such as the current market value of the property, the taxes owed, the neighborhood demographics, and more. AI can also provide investors with insights on how to best structure their investment. Using AI to find tax lien properties can be a great way to invest in real estate and make a profit. With AI, investors can quickly and easily identify attractive properties and assess their potential for investment. So, if you're looking to invest in real estate and make a profit, click the link in the description. Get started for just $7 today.